international flight, mga ka-trippers, going to Bangkok, Thailand. Time na po magpakalat-kalat, maliligaw sa mga maliligaw na po kami.
Ka-trippers, we are light travelers. Pagkaharap na kayo dun sa immigration officer, behave lang, prepare your passport, bawal dun yung camera, then you just have to wait for the instruction na immigration. Yan, tapos na kami sa scanner. Ako, pakalat-galat muna kami mga ka-trippers. TBA means to be announced. Dami kong alam, pre. Nabasa ko lang yan.
Duty free.
Hindi ko sa talaga. Pupunta na kami doon sa malapit sa gate sa amin kasi mostly nag-iiba yung gate number. So, para hindi na kami malate, magpo-proceed na kami sa malapit sa gate na mababasa namin yung screen. Ayan.
Pwede po kayong magtanong, ka-trippers, in case na in doubt kayo sa gate nyo, gate number.
Bawal ang mga mineral water, anumin nyo na yun.
Pwede po kayong mag-walking, much better po maagahan nyo kasi pag na-late, sayang naman, another ping.
Please have your heart boarding pass and ID ready for presentation. Our boarding gate so scan your boarding passes in
Ka-trippers, this line is bound to Sydney, Australia. Tingnan nyo. Gano'n sila ka-strict. Dito pa lang yan, no? Ayan, no? Open all baggages. Yung hand carry. Ayan siya. Ganyan ka-strict ang Australia. Bago ka makabalik, kung makalabas ka, ayos lang. Babalik ka sa lugar nila. Dito pa lang yan din sa Australia ulit. Kalampagan ulit ng bagahe. Sige, trivia lang. Babush.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, binubuksan ulit yung bagahe. Na-check na sa scanner, then open ulit for checking, rechecking, prior boarding. Strict po sila, strict. Boarding, mga ka-trippers. Boarding.
Mask, please. Kindly put down your mask, please. Ma'am.
New Year.
Mag-isa lang, ma'am?
Dalawa po kami ni Habi. Sabi niya mag-isa lang, ma'am. Dalawa po kami ni Habi. Si-check pa yan, seat number.
Bangkok.
Bangkok lang po to, ah. Hindi pa po to Europe. Wala pa po kaming budget doon. Lane. Ayan, bes. Yan po yung Dalawa, ayun oh. May isa pa po sa side. Oo nga. Hindi, meron yan. Hindi, meron yan.
Ito po ang Cebu Pacific River Padilla Hall Show 931 patungong Bangkok, Thailand.
We have just landed at Subai, Bacolod.
For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have declined. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Suvarnabhumi International Airport in Bangkok, Thailand. The local time is 41 minutes past the hour of 2 in the morning. For your information, there is a time difference between Manila and Bangkok. Bangkok being 1 hour behind. The ground temperature is at 26 degrees Celsius. On the African Cebu facility, member of flight and crew, Captain Marza and First Officer Amando, together with the cabin team, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your flight Poland. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. For guests with in-flight, the in-flight flight mess shall be placed.
Deplaning. Bye po. Bye po.
Enjoy!
Dito pala may pangalan na. Passenger deplaning ka-trippers, light backpackers lang po kami, 7 kilograms each. Door number 3, arrival. Gate F.
Morning. Morning. Door number 3.
You have to pass immigration first, then turn right. This is the travelator or vocalator. Welcome to Thailand. Kapunka. Thank you, Yuni. And the walkway. Oh, there's a cleaner, ano ka, oh. Ano tawag dyan? Robot? Driving excellence. Ano yun? Diba ang ganda ng airport nila? Sabi mo, oh. Diba? Maganda dito yung airport. Ang linis. Pwede. May binibenta nga dito eh. Last time, nakita ko. Dapat ano. Pwede ka dito bumili.
Tapos,
You have to pass immigration first, then turn right.
ito mahal siguro ay pangit ng
Ayan, immigration. Ang tapong ng mga mukha.
Ito ko na po harap na yan.
Ano? Oh, nga. And okay. Sa kalye. Kailangan na ba ngayon? 36:30. Ayan, immigration. Hindi na. Ikaw naihi ka?
Wala ko kaming bagahe kaya
Yes, light backpackers po kami mga ka-trippers. Ka-trippers dito yung AIS Traveler SIM. Meron din po dyan sa Pinas. So, dito po kami sa door 3. Mga ka-trippers, door number 3.
ayun, 5.
So, this is 6-5 going 3. We will meet Mr. Nicky, our guide and service driver.
Nagaan po ang passport sa kayong in-scan mo na ano yung
Bawal po,
vaccination.
no camera sa immigration. Hi, kabungka. Are you Miss Nikki? No. Okay. Thank you.
Will pass when?
Boutique,
Thank you.
our agent.
Ma'am, which is better to money exchange, here or Chinatown?
It's better in here, but this time is cold.
So much better here.
Mga trippers, dito po yung may mga travel agency. Mimit na lang po sa gate number 3. Isa lang. Eh di sabi mo nga per grams naman eh. Ayan. We will now proceed to our service. Oo. Hindi. Ask mo siya na siya yung magiging driver natin all the way until ano, until return.
Tanungin na lang natin. How about tomorrow?
Galing po kami sa gate number 4. Ayan ang service natin.
Service?
Oh, service van.
Special.
So, our service. Okay. Welcome. Wow. Social dito. Thank you, ma'am.
See you.
This is a very nice place. Have a good trip.
Para siya.
Para siya. Tingnan mo, limousine, mga ka-trippers.
Ito tayong rapper.
Very nice. Sir, are you Mr. Nicky?
Yes.
Do you speak Tagalog?
Tomorrow you call him. For
Messenger no hub. I have no hub SIM card. Reception. Hotel.
Hotel. But you are not Mr. Nicky?
my friend.
Your friend.
I Mr. Again. Yeah. Mr. Nicky. Tomorrow. Wednesday.
Wednesday, yes.
Wednesday to Boting Market.
Ayan mga ka-trippers.
Wala kami matitip. Wala kami manage.
Oo nga eh. So, yung
Sulat na. Active ba yung WhatsApp niya?
activated. Maganda dito, mga ka-trippers. Ito yung sinasabi ni TG, Thailand Girl. Meron kaming travel agent ka-trippers ni Mr. Nicky. Pero meron po siyang driver na pinasundo sa amin. Iba pa po yung humarap sa amin dun sa airport. Tapos yung driver, iba din po. Tomorrow or the next day na namin, si Mr. Nicky makikita kasi siya po yung magtutour sa amin sa in-offer nila na package. So for now, proceed muna sa Bayok Hotel. Kuha na rin po ng video aside po dun sa view, safety na rin po kung saan kami napupunta kasi di naman kami familiar sa place. Isa pa po, madaling araw po to yung arrive namin. Observation lang ka-trippers, para lang din siya sa Philippines. Meron din po siyang equivalent ng Skyway, NLEX, SLEX. Pero yun nga lang, parang hindi po traffic dito. Kasi laki po ng area nila. Kasi wala po kayong travel agency. Pwede naman po kayo mag-abang lang ng promo sa airlines, say Cebu Pacific. Kami kasi Cebu Pacific eh. Tapos, pagdating nyo po sa airport, pahatid na lang po kayo sa taxi going to your hotel kung saan po kayo nagpa-reserve. Pero, nilagay na lang po namin dito yung contact number ni Sir Nicky in case po na gusto nyo pong pumunta dito, magpasundo. For safety na rin po. Iba po kasi pag pumunta kayo sa isang place na may kakilala kayo or may contact.
Patunam.
But Chinatown very near. Can
About-
walk.
Oh no walk.
No, from hotel.
From hotel about 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Walk,
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Ito na yung kanyang
Okay.
The market.
Because there's Sky and Boutique. This is the boutique. Okay. Okay. Sir, thank you so much. Wait.
So what's up?
Morning you breakfast okay na?
Okay, yes. Later, 6:30 then. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Safe driving.
Ka-trippers, kung meron kayong additional sa bucket list nyo na hindi included sa agency nyo, kausapin nyo lang yan si Sir Nicky. Magtitip lang kayo, then dadalhin niya kayo. Ganyan po siya kabait. Okay?
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Enjoy!